Hello, friends, and welcome to my biology online class for class 10. Today we shall study lesson 9 Heredity and Evolution. In this video, we shall try to understand how sex is determined in different organisms. I am Kirti Srivastava, PGT Biology, KV number 3, Jhansi. Sex determination can be defined as the mechanism of determining sex of an individual. In most organisms, chromosomal or genetical mechanism of sex determination is observed. For example, in mammals and many insects, sex is determined by the presence of specific chromosomes called sex chromosomes, whereas in some other organisms, some environmental factors too seem to determine sex. Let us now discuss a few cases where sex is determined by environmental factors. In some reptiles, it is observed that the temperature at which the fertilized egg is incubated before hatching is very important factor in determining the sex of an offspring. This can be understood by means of the following examples. In turtles like Chrysema picta, high incubation temperature results in the development of female progeny, while a temperature below 28 degrees Celsius produces only males. Another example is that of lizards like Agama agama, where high incubation temperature results in male progeny, while a temperature below 28 degrees Celsius produces only females. Yet, in other animals like snails, individuals can change sex, indicating that sex is not genetically determined in them. Now we shall discuss the chromosomal or genetical mechanism of sex determination, which is seen in case of human beings and an insect called fruit fly. Both humans and fruit fly show XY type of sex determination. Human beings possess 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of each cell. Among these, 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair, that is 2 chromosomes, are sex chromosomes. A female has 22 pairs of autosomes and 2 X chromosomes. The 22 pairs of autosomes control all traits or characters except sex, while the 2 X chromosomes control only sex. Hence, all female gametes or ova formed possess 22 autosomes and 1 X chromosome. That is, all ova are of the same type or homogametic. Males have 22 pairs of autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes X and Y, which are of different type. That is, they are heterogametic, as they form two types of sperms. Hence, 50% of the male gametes or sperms formed possess 22 autosomes and 1 X chromosome, and the rest 50% sperms consist of 22 autosomes along with 1 Y chromosome. In fruit fly also, males are heterogametic, that is, they possess X and Y chromosomes besides autosomes, and females are homogametic and possess one pair of X chromosomes besides autosomes. Now, the sex of the child depends upon what happens at the time of fertilization. If a sperm carrying X chromosome fertilizes an ovum or egg, which always carries X chromosome, the resulting offspring will be a female. Whereas, if the sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilizes an egg or ovum which always carries an X chromosome, the resulting offspring will be a male. Hence, it is the sperm from male which determines the sex of an offspring. This figure very clearly explains how the sex is determined in case of human beings. Male parent with a genotype XY forms two types of sperms. 50% sperms carry X chromosomes and the other 50% sperms carry Y chromosomes. The female parent with a genotype XX forms only one type of ova or eggs, all having only X chromosomes. Hence, it is the sperms which decide the sex of the offsprings. At fertilization, if the sperms carrying X chromosomes fuse with the ovum, a female offspring is formed with a genotype XX. Whereas if the sperms carrying Y chromosomes fuse with the ovum, a male offspring is formed with a genotype XY. The mechanism of sex determination in humans can be depicted by drawing the following cross, which clearly indicates that there is 50% probability of an offspring being a male and 50% probability of an offspring being a female. So this is all in this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we shall try to understand the concept of evolution, acquired and inherited traits, theory of natural selection given by Darwin, and origin of life on Earth.